Hey guys, technology with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the airplane mode on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. So if you have the latest version of Apple WatchOS, it's going to be really simple to do. There's two different ways you can do it. You can press this side flat button here that will activate this menu, and you can just swipe and see the airplane, which is an airplane icon. You can click on it and that will turn on airplane mode, and to turn it off we can click it like that. Now another way you can also do it is, if you can't get to that menu like this, you can go to the apps by pressing the crown here and then find the settings app. From there on, under settings here, if you look right here is airplane mode. If you click on it, you can toggle on airplane mode just like that. There's an icon indicating that, and you can turn it off just like that. And if you have an older Apple Watch with the older version, you can swipe up from the face here and it will also show you the airplane mode feature right here. You can turn it on by clicking on it, and that will open up the menu here. You can turn it on and then turn it off just like that. So that's how you turn on and off the airplane mode on your Apple Watch. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Apple Watch and iOS devices. See you guys next time.